Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to bake cake at home. I have all-purpose flour 200 grams. I have 3 eggs. I have salt 3 grams. I have melted butter 70 grams, baking powder 5 grams, sugar 130 grams. Then I have vanilla extra here. So now let's go. Guys, I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients. This is my flour. I will add baking powder, salt, then I mix it together. In our mixing bowl, I've put in the 3 eggs. Now I'm going to add sugar, then I'll mix it together. Guys, make sure that you beat your sugar and the egg very well. You can see it. Now I'll add my melted butter. Then I add vanilla. Guys, after mixing everything together, this is what we have. Now I'll start by adding my flour. I'll add it 2 times. Sorry guys, I'll add it 2 times. You can see now, after mixing everything, this is what we have. Don't make it to be too watery or too thick. Our batter is ready now. Now we'll put it in the pan. You see, I've put butter. It's melted butter I used to rub the pan. Then I'll put some more flour to make it dry. Then I'll throw the, you can see that this one, you have to throw this one, Now I'm putting in our butter into the pan. After putting, you tap it gently. Guys, our cake is ready. Guys, you can see our cake. Now let's try it. Guys, you can see the inside. You can see that our cake is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.